Never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Jack Ma's statement, never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine, provides a profound perspective on resilience, perseverance, and hope. This sentence encapsulates a powerful life lesson, blending realism with optimism, and encourages individuals to endure through hardships with the promise of better times ahead. Analyzing this statement reveals valuable insights into the nature of challenges and the importance of persistence. The opening directive, never give up, is a straightforward yet compelling piece of advice. It emphasizes the necessity of persistence and resilience in the face of adversity. The imperative tone suggests a strong conviction in the importance of not giving up, highlighting that perseverance is crucial for overcoming difficulties and achieving success. This encouragement to persist serves as a foundation for the subsequent messages in the statement. Acknowledging the reality of challenges, Ma states, "Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse." This part of the sentence does not sugarcoat the present or the near future. Instead, it presents a realistic outlook on life's difficulties. By recognizing that today is challenging and that tomorrow might bring even greater challenges, Ma prepares individuals for the possibility of increasing adversity. This acknowledgement of escalating difficulties encourages a mindset of preparedness and resilience. It suggests that understanding and accepting the reality of hardships is essential for enduring them. Despite the realistic portrayal of current and future challenges, Ma's statement ends on a hopeful note, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Here, the day after tomorrow signifies a future point beyond the immediate hardships, suggesting that better times are ahead if one can endure through the tough periods. The metaphor of sunshine represents relief, happiness, and positive outcomes. This promise of sunshine instills hope and optimism, assuring individuals that their efforts and perseverance will eventually lead to brighter and happier days. Jack Ma's statement effectively combines realism with optimism, creating a balanced perspective on dealing with life's challenges. It acknowledges the difficulty and potential worsening of situations, thereby encouraging individuals to prepare mentally and emotionally for tough times. Simultaneously, it offers a hopeful outlook, promising that persistence through adversity will eventually lead to positive outcomes. In conclusion, Jack Ma's statement serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of perseverance and resilience. By blending an honest acknowledgement of challenges with a hopeful promise of better times, it motivates individuals to endure through hardships with the assurance that their efforts will eventually be rewarded. This dual emphasis on persistence in the face of adversity and the eventual reward of brighter days provides a valuable life lesson, highlighting the cyclical nature of challenges and triumphs. Ultimately, Ma's words encourage a mindset of enduring hope and unwavering perseverance, essential qualities for navigating the complexities of life. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Jack Ma's statement, "If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure," encapsulates a profound understanding of persistence and its crucial role in achieving success. This sentence emphasizes the importance of continuous effort and redefines the concept of failure, offering a powerful motivational message that encourages resilience and perseverance in the face of challenges. The first part of the sentence, "If you don't give up, you still have a chance," highlights the intrinsic link between persistence and opportunity. By using the conditional "if," Ma sets a clear condition for maintaining opportunities: the refusal to give up. This suggests that as long as one continues to make efforts, there remains a possibility for success or improvement. The phrase, "you still have a chance," conveys hope, reinforcing the idea that opportunities persist as long as effort is sustained. It underscores the notion that continuous striving is essential for keeping possibilities alive. In defining failure, Ma offers a perspective that shifts the traditional understanding of setbacks and obstacles. The assertion that giving up is the greatest failure redefines failure not as the inability to succeed immediately or the experience of setbacks, but as the act of ceasing to try. This redefinition emphasizes that quitting is the only true way to fail completely. By framing failure in this manner, Ma underscores the value of sustained effort and perseverance. He implies that facing challenges and experiencing temporary defeats are not failures, rather, failure occurs only when one abandons their efforts entirely. This perspective on persistence and failure carries significant implications for how individuals approach their goals and challenges. By linking persistence with the maintenance of opportunity, Ma provides a source of hope and motivation. His words encourage individuals to continue their efforts, reinforcing the idea that sustained perseverance is essential for eventual success. The redefinition of failure shifts the focus from the outcomes of individual efforts to the overall importance of continuous striving. It suggests that the true measure of success lies in the ability to keep trying, despite difficulties and setbacks. Moreover, Ma's statement serves as a powerful reminder of the cyclical nature of effort and achievement. It acknowledges that while immediate success may not always be attainable, the act of persisting keeps the door open to future possibilities. This message is particularly valuable in a world where challenges and obstacles are inevitable. By advocating for persistence and redefining failure, Ma encourages a mindset that values effort and resilience, fostering a proactive approach to overcoming difficulties. In conclusion, Jack Ma's statement, "If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure," emphasizes the critical importance of persistence and continuous effort. By linking the act of not giving up with the possibility of success, it highlights that opportunities remain alive as long as one continues to strive. Additionally, it redefines failure as the act of giving up, shifting the focus from immediate outcomes to the sustained effort required for eventual success. This perspective offers a powerful motivational message, encouraging individuals to persist through challenges with the assurance that continuous effort keeps the door open to success and that true failure only occurs when one stops trying.